Hi guys, this is my little review about the power adapter for USB charging for all gadgets from Dealextreme. This is for iPods and any gadgets that you can charge in USB. It works greatly. It's very useful, very small. You can take it for everywhere. I will plug my USB where you can see it. Let's plug it in. I would show you guys my iPod charging, but I'm currently filming, working on it because I don't have any cameras. That's all guys. It's very useful. I recommend for everyone. Sorry for my bad English. Thank you.